What's up everyone, Trendline Forex here. Today we're gonna have a look at gold, and this time we're gonna start off from the daily time frame. Alright, and these are stuff that I've talked about in previous videos, but it's not every time that we look at the daily time frame as well. So today this is what we're gonna do. I feel like gold right now is at a very interesting levels, and it's very important to see what's gonna happen with this instrument today, in the next few days as well, but more importantly in the next few hours. All right, so we're gonna get down to the hourly chart and we'll see where are we currently trading at and what we can expect from gold, right? So looking at the daily time frame, what we see is that we are in a downtrend, and we've got this ending trend line right here, and it looks like price is approaching this resistance, right? So we already know what the market direction is, but what we found out next was that sell zone right here, and that sell zone is based on those previous lows right here, where we could expect that market may come and revisit, so you can retest them and then push down, it's also based on Fibonacci levels based on this last move right here. Okay, so this sell zone starts pretty much from right around where price currently is, which is around 1770, all the way up to around 1807. And what I'm expecting to see is market coming and testing this zone right here, and then I wanted to see a reversal. Well, looking at the daily candle yesterday, we may be due for a reversal pretty soon, because we've got this daily candle printing right here on the chart, and what we see is that there is a long rejection wick up here, right? And then the candle closes down here below the wick of that previous candle. So to me, this is a strong signal for a potential reversal. However, I'm not saying that we should be entering short right now. All right, what we need to do is we need to drop down to a lower time frame, to possibly find and refine our entry, so we can get a better risk to reward ratio. Because looking at the daily time frame, if we want to enter a short trade right now, we're gonna have to place our stop loss just above that zone, so quite a long distance, and that's exactly why we can do something much better, and that's to do a drop down analysis, have a look at the 4-hour time frame and also the hourly chart as well. That's where I take most of my entries. Now what we see on the 1-hour time frame is that we actually had a reaction of the sell zone, and price is about to break below the uptrend, and possibly even continue lower. Now this is not yet fully confirmed, because yes, we have break out of previous lows right here, but we haven't yet seen a lower high and a lower low. So as soon as we see something like this, this is a signal for a potential trend reversal. But when we see this, well, that's now a confirmed trend reversal, right? We have a lower high than this previous one, and we also have lower low than this previous one right here. All right, so as you can see, we're not there yet, but we're maybe due for a full trend reversal. What we need to focus on right now is if this pullback right here that we see on the hourly time frame is going to end and price will eventually continue lower, or is market actually going to continue higher and break above this high and then reverse at a later stage. Because like I said, this is the sell area right here, so I'm definitely expecting to see a reversal before or somewhere below 1807, but it may take some more time for price action to actually gather some liquidity up here, gather some momentum, and then reverse, right? What I'm saying is that although it looks like we're seeing the reversal right now, we should not be rushing with our entries, right? Because a lot of people may enter a short trade now, place their stops right here, but like I said, market could decide to come up here, collect those orders, and then reverse, right? And that's why we don't want to rush with our entries, but we want to wait for some further confirmation. However, like I said, there's definitely also a chance that we may see price continuing lower from around those levels. So what we're going to be looking for is obviously to take a short trade right around let's say 1770, that may be a little bit higher, could be right around here. We've got some previous lows, that's where we broke below previous structure, so right around here we may actually look to possibly take a short trade. What I'm going to do is I'm going to place my stop loss above this most recent high, and then I'm going to be looking for targets to the downside. We're gonna talk about that in a second. All right, so if you do see that reversal right here and price action confirms that it doesn't have enough strength to possibly continue higher, and it actually reverses this move, then you can obviously look to trade that to the downside. And for those of you who are even more aggressive, you can use a stop loss just above that reversal right here. So this is significantly going to improve your risk to reward ratio. But me personally, I'm a conservative trader. I always prefer to have my stop loss what it makes more sense for me. So I'm going to be looking to place that stop loss above this high right here. Okay, now when it comes to target levels, I'm definitely expecting that the market will continue lower. So we're talking about previous lows right here, but not just that. I'm talking about at least those lows all the way down here around 1690, 1685. All right, and if I have to be honest, if that move has started, then I'm definitely expecting that the market will even break below this most recent low. But let's say these are going to be our first targets down here around 1690, 1680. All right, so this is going to give us a pretty decent entry, pretty decent risk to reward ratio as well, and we're talking about a really nice trade. The thing is, it's very tricky to actually decide if you should enter a trade here, and that's exactly why I'm saying do not enter right now, but wait for price action to give you some further confirmation. Now, as you can see, what price action does right now is pushing a little bit lower. So this right here may be the reversal, right? So you may have to make your entry right around here. But like I said, what we don't want to see is, something like this. We take a short entry and then price continues higher, because if it continues pushing higher, then we're most likely going to see a breakout of this previous high and some higher values before we actually see that reversal then. All right, so that's what you need to watch out for. Obviously, if you want to see how I traded, if you want to see when I enter this trade, you can join our premium channel. That's where we talk about gold and the rest of the pairs here in my watch list every single day. And I'm also sending out trading signals in that group as well. All right, now something else that could happen is you may get that nice reversal right here. So you make your entry, let's say you place your stop loss up here or above that reversal. Price then continues in your favor, but it comes down here to test this previous low, leaves a nice wick, and then starts trading to the upside. If something like this happens, I personally would prefer to close my trade and wait and see if we're going to see the market continuing higher, or are we going to see just another pullback and then a continuation to the downside. If that's the case, then I'm still going to be looking to re-enter. All right, but final confirmation, like I said, would be once the market actually breaks below this low right here, then we can expect that it will continue lower. So that's also something that you can do. You can wait for the market to break below that, then come back for a retest, and then look to enter a trade. All right, and of course you're gonna have to adjust your stop loss above one of the previous highs. So again, you may actually get to use the exact same stop loss and not a bigger one. Right, so hopefully that makes sense. Leave a comment below this video. Let me know if you are trading gold, if you have any trades on your radar, what other pairs are you trading. I'm currently focusing on Aussie dollar, gold, euro yen maybe. We'll see how that's gonna go. But this is what I'm looking to trade right now. And obviously, if that reversal happens to be the case here on gold, then that probably means we're going to see some more trading opportunities across the majors as well. All right, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Check out the links in the description below this video. Join our free Telegram as well, so you can stay up to date with all of our discounts, trades that we take, videos that we send, and so on. It's all free, so make sure to join. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to watch our last two videos where you can find more valuable information. Check out our channel for more trading related videos. I wish you all a successful trading, and I'll see you next time.